How to fix Roblox widescreen when joining the game on Windows 10. So you might be in the position where you are trying to join the game but the widescreen interface appears and you are not being able to play the game. In this case, first of all what you want to do is to ensure Roblox is allowed to run on your Chrome browser. Visit the Chrome website on Chrome and select the game you want to play. Click on the green play button. Roblox with widescreen might appear. Now click on download and install Roblox in the pop-up. The next thing you want to do is to run the setup file and launch Roblox after the installation is complete. You should now see the Open Roblox prompt. Check the box next to always allow www.roblox.com to open links of this type in the associated app, and lastly click Open Roblox. Now what you want to do is run the game in compatible mode. Navigate to the game folder, right click on the setup file and select properties from the context menu. After that, go to the compatibility tab and check the box next to run this program in compatibility mode for option. Then select Windows OS from the drop down to install and relaunch the game. Finally, retry Roblox and see if it works correctly. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Roblox widescreen when joining the game on Windows 10. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.